is Innocent Malolo. I'm from Malawi. I'm a lab technician. I work with the Ministry of Health, Malawi. I've come here in South Africa at the CRISP lab for mainly to learn more about the COVID-19 sequencing, and especially the wet lab protocol, as well as the bioinformatics on COVID-19 sequencing. In Malawi, we weren't doing any genomic sequencing, so as a scaling up of the lab, the government decided that we should also start genomic sequencing. So I'm here to learn more about the genomic sequencing on COVID-19. My experience has been very good. It has been very interesting. Yeah, we had the privilege of learning the wet lab protocol as well as the bioinformatics, and I enjoyed mostly on the bioinformatics part, where we learned more on learning multiple commands as well as doing genomic editing. With this knowledge I've gained here, I plan to share it to my fellow laboratory technicians at home, and as well as we'll try to come up with we'll try to use this knowledge on other pathogens